Okay, so we are going to attempt to do these practice problems. Make sure that you have your first name and your last name and the class period, or if you are virtual. These are problems where you are going to take the information that is above. So, example, they earned 2 points for correct answers. So that's plus 2. But they lose 1 point for incorrect answers. So in order to figure out what the students have earned, you're going to have to take the number of correct and you're going to multiply it by 2. Okay? You're also going to have to figure out how much to take off because they did not get answers correct. You're going to multiply that by the negative 1 point. So, in order to make that happen for this first person, that would be 10 times 2. And then we're going to add the 5 times negative 1. Now, what a lot of kids were doing is that they were just recognizing that this is 20 points, and this is 5 times 1. They lose 5 points. So Sally got 15. Okay. I know that I've done this a couple of different ways in the classroom, and I might have had some errors, so that's why I'm kind of doing this. Again, making sure that we understand it. Let's go to the next one. Let's make sure I have them. So again, they earned 2 points, so that would be 7 times 2. So Joe got 14 points correct. But now we have to figure out how much to take off. And that take off comes from the losing 1 point for each one they did wrong. So I'm going to multiply this by negative 1. So that's 8 times negative 1 would be plus negative 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So Joe got 6 points only. So I'm going to select that. Let's figure out what Sarah got. So Sarah, same situation. She got 2 points for all of her correct. So 12 times 2, that's a good thing. But the getting them incorrect will be times negative 1. So Sarah got 12 times 2, which is 24 points. Good for correct. But then I have to put in what she lost, which was 3 times negative 1, which is negative 3. So therefore, my answer, applying those rules, 24 plus a negative 3 is going to be 21. So we'll click Sarah got 21. All right. I think this is the one that in my other video I might have gotten incorrect. So I want to make sure that I'm hopefully still doing this right. Let's see. So they earned 2. Do I have my marker? Nope. They earned 2 points for correct, but they lost a half a point for incorrect answers. So I'm still going to do the same strategy, but it's the good points is 40 correct, so he gets 2 points for each one. So 40 times 2, Fred gets 80 points. Nice. But I have to do 5 times 1 half, negative 1 half. So if I don't remember how to multiply fractions, 5 times 1 half. With multiplication, you just multiply across the top and across the bottom. So I have 5 halves, which I have to change to, because this is an improper number. I've got to change it. That would be 2 and 1 half. So 80 subtracts 2 and 1 half. And my brain has to subtract the whole numbers first. And in this case, I can. So 80 minus 2 is 78. But then I still have to subtract the 1 half. Move the face. Okay. So I'm going to do 77 and 2 halves minus 1 half. Okay. Let's move the face. There we go. Minus 1 half. So that kind of tells us, based on our choices, I didn't really have to do all that work. 77.5 is what Fred got. So right here. All right. So that was the hardest. And of course, I made it the first. I'm sorry. The next one we're going to do is the same way. She got 2 points for correct answers. So that would be 30 times 2 points. Yay. So she got, or he, John, got 60 points. John is going to lose 6 times negative 1/2. Well, I know 1/2 of 6 is 3. So that means he lost 3 whole points. And based on some emails that I got from students, they figured that one out. Thank you very much again. So I'm going to click that John got 57. Let's go to Mario. So Mario is going to be 12. I love the markers. Times 2. So Mario got 24 points for getting things correct, but he also got 6 incorrect at 1/2 point, minus 1/2 point each. So he lost 3 points, which will equal 21. So he scored a 21. Okay. Please press pause and make sure that you try these. We do have the 1/4 issues. So I know that there might be some struggles with multiplying by fractions, but multiplying by fractions, you just put it over 1 and multiply, period. At this point, push pause, try it, and come back. Okay, you should be able to be coming back about right now. It's the same situation. They earned 1 point for correct answer, so 25 times 1. Alex got 25 points, but he's going to lose 1/4 of each. So 1/4 of 4 means 4 divided by 4. So if I am multiplying it by 1/4, 1/4 of 4 is 1, but it's negative. So therefore our answer will be 24. So Alex got 24. All right, we're going to try the next one again. Michelle got 1 point for each correct answer. So she got 23 points for all of her correct answers. But she lost points. That would be 6 times negative 1/4. So I'm going to put 6 times 1/4. Negative 1/4. It's a negative. This is a times. 6 over 1 would be negative 6 over 4. I need to convert that improper fraction. So that means negative 4 plus negative 2 over 4. So that'll mean that I'm left with 2 over 4, which is half. So 6/4 is 1 and 1, or 1 and 2/4, or 1 and 1/2. And I know that's a little bit more complicated. Yes, you can use decimals if you want to, but considering we're dealing with fourths, we know that it's probably going to be one of these two. We're left with 2/4. I'm hoping you recognize that that will be the 1/2. So 23 minus 1 and 1/2. I've got my answers narrowed. Yay. So it means it's this one. So Michelle got this. Okay, Greg got 12 correct at 1 point each. So Greg got 12 points. Yay, Greg. But then he lost 5 times negative 1/4. Okay, so 5 times negative 1/4 will be 5 divided by 4. But I need to make that an improper fraction. I have 1 whole and 1/4 left. So that'll be 12 minus 1 and 1/4. What did I do wrong? Oh, well, look, peoples, we found another error. Minus 1 and 1/4 would be 11, 10 and 3/4. Yeah. So I'm going to edit this real quick. Okay, so you guys, when you get to this will be the answer for Greg, because that will say, this will say 10 3/4. This right here will say 10 3/4. So please make sure that you make note that that will be edited for yours. Okay, our last one. Oh, we only have one improper, or one with the fraction. So Alexa scored 3 points for each correct. So 5 times 3, she got 15 points, but she lost 4 times -1/4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we're going to subtract the 1. So Alexa got 14. We'll try the next one. 7 times 3 is 21. Minus, well, 8 times -1/4. Remember, 1/4 just means divided by. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So it'll be -2. So Michael got 19. We'll try our last person. Georgia got 4 correct. So she got 4 times 3, which is 12 points. But she lost 2. So 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 is 1/2. So -1/2. So she got the 11 1/2. So your answers, 14, 19, 11 1/2. 14, 19, 11 1/2. Now, again, I'm going to hit submit, but you guys have a different answer right here. That should be 10. So hopefully mine will work. Let me see. What did it do? Why didn't it? Okay, I'm supposed to hit submit. Oh, the question has changed. So look, it allowed me to fix it. So let's hit submit. View score. Uh-oh. Let's see. Yes, yes, yes. 24 minus 3. Okay, I'm going to have to edit this one. So I know that 21 is correct. I've just got to make a correction in mine. So you guys should have perfect if you followed my answers.